This iconic scene captures the moment before the first powered flight, a blend of hope, engineering, and human ambition. Da Vinci's visionary but unrealized flying machines laid early foundations for aerodynamics. The first human flight was not winged, it was a balloon, proving the skies were reachable. Cayley's glider established the principles of lift and drag to modern flight. Lilienthal's fatal crash inspired the Wright brothers to pursue controlled flight. Their bicycle mechanic skills helped them understand balance critical for aircraft control. The Wright brothers' wind tunnel tests revolutionized wing design, making flight achievable. Every stitch and joint was handcrafted. Aviation's humble beginnings. On 17 December 1903, 12 seconds that changed history, humanity's first powered flight. Many doubted them until they saw it with their own eyes. Europe finally believed the Wrights were undeniably first. Curtiss challenged the Wrights, sparking the patent wars. War accelerated aviation planes, became weapons. The first solo transatlantic flight, proving planes could connect continents. Flying became glamorous, no longer just for pioneers. Jets revolutionized speed. Propellers were just the beginning. Their legacy stands immortalized. The fathers of flight. From 120 feet to global travel, how far we've flown. The next revolution? Clean, silent, and efficient flight. The subsequent decades saw an explosion of innovation building upon the Wright brothers' foundation. The dream of flight lives on in every folded paper plane. Please like, share, and subscribe for more video updates.